Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to trade option on Robinhood. In order to place an option trade on Robinhood account, all you have to do is make sure to stay with us till the end, follow the instruction as guided. First thing first, update your application and then open up or log in into your account. So once you're logged in, first of all it's going to ask you to verify. So for that, enter in the passcode associated and then you'll be taken to the home page. Here you'll be able to see an interface something like this. Now in order to begin the trade options or the option trade, all you have to do is first of all search for the stocks or EFTs you'd like to trade option. You can also use the search bar tool located right on top. Look for the stock that you wish to. So in my case I'm going to go with the Tesla. Now select Tesla if you want to go with the following option. So as you can see, this is where the interface is gonna take you. So here in my case I don't happen to have any funds, so there's the trade button located right at the bottom. So in order to begin with the trading option, you have to tap the trade option located right at the bottom. So also make sure that you have enough funds. Since you're buying, so you have to have some certain amount of funds, only then you can begin with the procedure. So all you have to do is just tap the trade button. Next page is going to ask you to select whether you want to buy or sell. Put that selected accordingly. Next page, what it's gonna do is you have to select the amount. You also need to go through the expiry date and all sort of details, and once you've done with that, you need to confirm the order. So in order to confirm the order, there you'll be able to see a plus icon located in the top right hand side corner. So all you have to do is just tap on it and there you'll be able to see your order review. So go through the information, and if you're sure about it, then click the review order button located right at the bottom. So in that way you've successfully placed an order, and that's basically how you can trade option on Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.